Hi class, especially grade 5. How are you today? I hope you are fine. You are okay, you are awesome, you are super. Okay student, today I want to explain about computer project. Okay, computer project for mid second semester. Okay student, we start 22nd January 2021, this one. Yeah. And we hope you can collect, you have to finish your project at 29 January ya kid. Hope you already finished that time. Okay, I want to explain with computer first. For the student, if you have computer at home, yeah, you can choose this one with computer, the project with computer. Yeah, take a presentation about 7 wonders of the world in Microsoft PowerPoint. The steps are run or open Microsoft PowerPoint. Choose the theme. You can also change the background. Make the title 7 Wonders of the World. In every slide, give the name and a picture of the word wonder. Give transition, effect, and animation on your slide. Your student choice. It means you can choose up to you what animation, what transition you want. And the next, make it as good as possible. Ya buatlah sebaik mungkin kid. You must be spirit ya kid. And save the file by your name. The example is sun_project, and send the file to my WhatsApp or email yajuanra@gmail.com. Thank you. Good luck for you. Okay, this is the example. Ini contoh example-nya, okay, the result of example. You can see this. Ya, ini contohnya, kid. Ya, I do in PowerPoint. Saya lakukan ini PowerPoint. You can see this and have here 7 wonders. Ya, 7 keajaiban dunia. Ya, you can search in Google, ya kid. Okay, before I explain about the project for student without computer, I want to show this especially for you, the student. You choose with computer. You type 7 wonder. Yeah, this is already have the example. You type the title first, 7 wonders of the world. Ya, kamu ketik nanti seperti ini. Tema up to you ya, temanya terserah kamu. And click here, design, and then have so many themes here. You can choose one, up to you kid. If you want to choose this example, choose. You can choose ya, the other. That according to you ya, tergantung kamu yang mana yang interesting, you choose that. And then don't forget type the 7 wonders of the world, ya, 7 keajaiban dunia. Then click this ya, the slide. How to make new slide ya, kalau mau nambah slide yang baru, you can choose this here ya, new slide in home tab ya, home tab. Then new slide ini. Okay, itu menambahkan slide yang baru. In the second slide, you can type here Taj Mahal, India. Yeah, where from you can take the picture. Yeah, you can take from Google ya kid. I already take from Google dan saya sudah download. Di download ya, picture-nya itu di Google sudah ada. Sudah saya simpan. Jadi ini you can take from Google. This is Taj Mahal, India, and the second, yeah, this is Mexico Chichen. Yeah. Third, until the 7, yeah, tembok besar Cina. can make this. And if you want to make the slide transition, the example, you can make, want to make the first slide makes transition, click this one, transition, and then you can choose what transition you want. The example, you want to choose this, and then click sound. You want to give the sound up here, click and choose one. Example, this one, voltage. If you want to see directly, you can click this one, preview up here. You click, look at that. Okay, if you want to make the second slide, make the other transition. Example, you want to make this. Okay, you want to give the sound again, can click, look at that, so beautiful kid. You want to make the other, the third slide, you choose this, the example, up to ya kid, buatlah sebagus mungkin, terserah kamu mau buat yang gimana. Yang number 4 nya, the example this one, soundnya yang ini, terserah. And then number 6 and number 5 nya kamu pilih yang mana, transitionnya pilih, choose, example this one, soundnya, example this, and number 6 transitionnya aturlah sebagus mungkin ya kid, soundnya up to you. One, the last, yang terakhir. Okay, now we press F5 ya kit di keyboard kita untuk melihat tampilannya. Look at that. Oke kid, so interesting ya kid, menarik ya kid. Itu masih kita buat slide transition ya kid, yang ini transitionnya ya kid. Kita mau buat lagi teksnya kid, boleh ya kid. 7 volt. We want to make animation, this one ya kid. Kita buat animationnya, masih. And you want to make the text, nanti munculnya seperti itu. Di example kita preview. Look at that. Fun. Yang ini mau kita buat gimana? You choose ya kid, boleh terserah yang mana. Kita preview. Oke, that's kid. Yang lainnya bisa kamu continue, kamu buat sendiri yang menarik, make as good as possible. Kita ulangi sekali lagi. We try one more time ya. Oke, inilah hasilnya. Okay, student. After that kid, if you have finished, don't forget save file, save. One, file save, save, or save as can also, and save in where you want. The example I make in project, saya buat di project, saya buat Juan's project, 1 example ya kid, save. Okay, and then don't forget where you save just now, simpan di sini di MS project. Yeah, this one. Don't forget to send this one. Jadi kirim ini ke email saya atau my WhatsApp ya kid. Okay, we back to tutorial. For the student yang tidak punya komputer atau without computer, you can choose this ya. Make this one buat seperti ini from this ya kid. Yang ini paragraph option ya. In home tab kamu buat seperti ini, you draw also, make it as good as possible ya kid. And this is you collect to school ya on 29 January 2020. Okay student, I think enough for my explanation about computer project grade 5 midterm ya, second semester. Okay, keep spirit, keep healthy student. I hope you can do it as possible. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.